Anong sinabi niya? What did he or she say? Hindi daw siya uuwi. She is not coming home. Sabi niya, mahal ka raw niya. He said he loves you. Kilala ka raw niya. She said she knows you. Ang yabang mo raw kasi. You're too proud of yourself. Nagsiselos ka raw sa kanya? You're jealous of him. Ayaw kanyang makita. She doesn't want to see you. Kaibigan mo raw siya. She said she's your friend. Mahal ka raw niya kahit di mo siya mahal. He said he loves you even if you don't love him. May gusto siyang itanong sa'yo. He wants to ask you something. Hindi ka raw niya marinig. He said he can't hear you. Gusto niyang makipag-ayos sa'yo. She wants to make up with you. Ayaw kanyang makita rito. She doesn't want to see you here. Patawarin mo na raw siya. He's asking your forgiveness. Gusto kanyang makita ngayon. He wants to see you now. Gusto niyang sumama sa'yo. She wants to come with you. Masaya raw siyang makita ka sa personal. She is happy to see you in person. Matagal mo na raw siyang kilala. She said you have known her for a long time. Sabi niya, di ka raw maganda. She said you're not beautiful. Gusto niyang malaman ang pangalan mo. She wants to know your name. Gusto niyang malaman ang edad mo. She wants to know your age. Gusto niyang malaman kung taga saan ka. She wants to know where you live. Gustong-gusto ka niyang makilala. He really wants to meet you. Tinatanong niya kung kilala mo pa rin daw siya. He's asking if you still know him. Sabay daw kayong kumain. He's asking you to eat with him. Ipagmamaneho ka raw niya. He said he will drive you. Ayaw niyang makinig sa'yo. He doesn't want to listen to you. Tanungin mo na lang siya. Just ask her. Narinig mo ba ang sinabi niya? Did you hear what he said? Sa tingin ko, hindi ka niya narinig. I think she didn't hear you. Sige na, tanungin mo siya ulit. Go, ask her again. Lakasan mo ang boses mo. Make your voice louder. Gusto niya na kausapin mo siya. She wants you to talk to her.